Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get the BitLocker recovery key using command prompt. So go ahead and type in CMD in Windows search and then make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes, and then copy this command. The command is provided in the video description, and here you can see the word drive. You have to go ahead and replace the word drive with the drive name. So to get a recovery key for C drive, you can go ahead and replace drive with C:. Similarly, if you want to recover the BitLocker recovery key for D drive, you can go ahead and type in D:. So for C drive, it's I've replaced with C drive, C:, and copy this command and then paste it on the PowerShell window and then hit the enter key on the keyboard, and this will go ahead and give you the 48-digit BitLocker recovery key. In my case, I have not set up any BitLocker recovery key. So in your case, you will find your 48-digit recovery key over here. You can also recover the BitLocker recovery key from your Microsoft account. So for this, visit this link. The link is provided in the video description, and then follow the steps to recover the recovery key from Microsoft account. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.